What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to promote affiliate links without a website totally for free. Maybe you're someone that's brand new or you're not very technical, you don't know how to create a website. In this video, I'm going to hop on my laptop and I'm going to reveal 3 incredibly powerful free methods you can use to start to generate affiliate commissions as soon as this week, again, without spending a dime or even having a website. Now, before I hop on my laptop, I will share a link directly below this video. If you do want to access my #1 affiliate system that gives you a done-for-you website you can start using to promote with these powerful free methods, feel free to check that out. But without further ado, let me hop on my laptop and dive in right now. Okay, now the very first way to promote an affiliate product without a website is using Facebook. Now, Facebook, I'm not talking about a fan page, just your main Facebook profile, okay? Now, what you want to understand is whatever product you're promoting is in a certain niche, okay? Whether it's health and fitness, whether it's make money online, whether it's Forex, it's in a certain niche. So what you want to do specifically with Facebook, and I have other videos where I go into way more depth, but what you can actually do is just go to the top and I can type in a few words that have to do with the product that I'm actually promoting. So for example, let's say I was promoting a make money online type product, okay? So I could say make money online. I could search that in. I could filter by groups. I can open up some of these groups, okay? I can go to members. And then what I can start doing is I can start actually sending these people, okay, friend requests. Okay, now about 30 a day. You don't want to do too many because then Facebook may put you in jail for a few days. But basically, you just add these people, okay? Now, why are we doing this? Why are we going to a group and adding these people that have to do with the niche our product is in? Because what happens is a lot of these people are going to feel that reciprocation. They're going to check out your profile, and if it's decent, they're going to follow you back. They're going to add you back as a friend, and now you're going to start to gain your friends list with targeted people. Now, the next step is once we start building our friends list, now we want to start posting on our profile. Now, what do we do with Facebook to promote affiliate links for free without a website? Well, it's very, very simple, okay? What you want to do, a lot of people go wrong, is they just start spamming their affiliate link. They literally will just paste their affiliate link here and hope and pray that someone just clicks it and buys. But that's not what the top dogs do. That's not how you're actually going to start building a successful long-term income. What you want to do is 2 types of posts on Facebook: value and a pitch, okay? Because if you just pitch people, you're not going to have any engagement and no one's going to actually check it out. If you just do value, you teach, you share tips, you share quotes, you're never going to make any money. So these 2 posts together is where the magic happens. So I can do value, okay? So what is value? Well, anything that's related to the niche you're in, that's going to be giving people inspiration, tips, strategies, okay? Anything like that is value. So what you can literally do on Facebook, you can actually go to Google, okay? Type in the niche, so health and wellness, make money, okay? And then followed by the word quotes. And then you search that in images, and now they have all these different images that you can actually post to your Facebook profile. So for example, number 1, make money. Number 2, use that money to make more money. Repeat, okay? So I'll share with you because sometimes people, they want to see like, am I actually practicing what I'm preaching? And I'll post this right now to share with you, okay? So if I do that, okay, I can be like this if you agree, right? And now what this is going to do is this is going to gain a lot of engagement because I have friends that are already interested in the niche and they're going to like this, okay? This is actually going to resonate with a lot of people. Now, the next thing you want to do, okay, preferably the next day. So you post this today, you do a pitch tomorrow, you post value pitch, value pitch. Then what I would do is the next day, I'd write something that has to do with the product I'm promoting. So for example, I teach people how to make money online. So I could say, if you're reading this, okay, you can see I already got engagement, okay? This stuff works, right? If you're reading this and you want to learn how we've been making, $500 a day or more in 30 minutes of work, comment info. Okay, now the whole strategy with the pitch post is you're basically sharing a result with a call to action. Okay, so I'm telling people, you know, comment info or message me for more information. This is how we're starting to generate traffic and leads for free. Now, the last thing I recommend though with these pitch posts is I recommend you actually attach a photo. Okay, photos usually work well. Now, what type of photo do you want to post? Well, whatever product you're promoting, okay, chances are if you go to that sales page or the website, they're going to have some testimonials. Now you can literally just screenshot and post that testimonial on your profile with this ad, okay, with this pitch post. Now I'll share with you. So I'm a part of the multiple income funnel at the time of recording this. That's actually one of the systems that I'm currently using. And I can actually go to this group and I want to share with you a real example. Okay, I can go to this group. I can find a result that someone posted. Okay, they're constantly sharing results. Okay, we have training as well. Let me find a good results. Okay, so this is good. Okay, boom, leads coming in. So I can literally take a snipping tool. Okay, or if I'm on a smartphone, I can I can screenshot this. Okay, I can save this to my computer like this, and then I can literally just go here, upload. Okay. And I can literally post this tomorrow. So I go, if you're reading this and you want to learn how we've been making $500 in 30 minutes a day, comment info. And then I just include a photo of proof, right? And I'm getting more engagement. And then what happens is people will literally start commenting info. And then you just message them your affiliate link. Okay, you don't need a website to do this. You just direct message your affiliate link. And that's how easy you can start to generate income just promoting affiliate links with Facebook. So the next method is actually using Pinterest. Okay, now I did a full breakdown a few days ago of how to do Pinterest in depth. I recommend you actually check that video out after this one if you want to dive more. I actually did the niche lose weight with keto, so the keto diet. But what you would do with Pinterest is you would simply create a profile in a certain niche. So it depends on whatever product you're promoting. Again, for this example, it was keto. You would create a niche or a profile in that niche. So I can actually create a board, okay, with a specific name. Now, you want to title this a keyword that people are actually searching for that has to do with your niche. So people will discover your board, ultimately your pin, and you'll start getting traffic to your affiliate link, as I'll share in a second. So if I go up here and I go to all pins and I type in keto, okay, you'll start seeing keywords that people are searching. And I can just take any of these, okay, keto recipes. So I can create a board that has to do with keto recipes, okay? You're seeing how easy this actually is. Done, okay, whatever, right? We can get out of this. Now what I wanna do is I can go to a site called canva.com, which is totally free. I can go to the top here and I can go to Pinterest and I can do a Pinterest pin. And now what I can do is I can create a pin very easily. And again, my training with Pinterest shares how to do this in depth. Okay, this is just an overview. I can create a color. Okay, I can add text to this. Look how simple this is. And I can say something like let's assume that I'm promoting a keto product. And again, this depends on what affiliate product you're actually promoting. For this example, I'm promoting a keto product that teaches people how to lose weight with the diet. Okay, so if I can say something like, click here if you want to discover the best keto diet in 2021, okay? Something like that. I can center it, make it look decent, okay? And I can just download this to my computer. Now I can go back here and I can add a pin. I can click here, okay? Create a pin. I wanna upload that photo, okay? I can add a title, best keto diet. I can add a description. Click here to see the best keto diet. And then I can add a destination link, okay? And I could put in my affiliate link right here, okay? And once I put my affiliate link and I save this, okay, what's gonna happen is people will go to the search bar, they'll type in best keto diet, they'll see our pin, they'll see this ad, this pitch post, they'll click it, and then they'll get taken ultimately to our affiliate link and they can buy without even needing a website, okay? Again, this method is incredibly powerful. And the last method I recommend you do right now is Instagram. Instagram is free. There's millions of people on Instagram, and you can do a very similar method to Facebook. So once you create a profile, let's say it's in the make money online niche. I know a lot of people watch my videos are. I can go search, I can do hashtag, and I can go make money online, okay? You just wanna put a few words that have to do with the niche that your product is in. You wanna search one of those hashtags. What happens is when you do that, you're gonna see all these people that have used that hashtag. Okay, so let's say this one. You can see that they've used, work from home, make money online. So what I know is this person, okay, these likes, people that have actually liked this picture are interested in making money online, right? So what I can do, and this is in Spanish, I'm actually in Colombia, by the way, but this says follow. What I can do is I can go down and I can actually follow these people, okay, just like this. And I can follow, again, not too many per day, but I can do about 30 a day, let's say. And I'll unfollow now just so for the sake of this demonstration. But what happens is people start getting notified, okay? And they're going to check out your profile and they're going to start to follow you back, okay? That's one of the ways I was able to gain 22,000 followers, because I followed people and then they followed me back, okay? Now, once you do that, you can also include your affiliate link in your bio. So when people follow you back, they'll see that and they'll click and go to your website. But what you can do with Instagram is very similar to Facebook. You can post value on your profile here, okay? And then every couple posts, you can do a pitch post. So remember how I saved this photo? And you're seeing the engagement, right? People are just commenting. I mean, this stuff works, right? And as you stay subscribed, the next few weeks, I'm gonna be sharing even more powerful strategies to get engagement and sales. But I can take this photo, I can post it to my Instagram, and I can say, hey, if you're interested in learning how this person achieved this result, click the link in my bio, right? So we're sharing a result, we're sending people to our bio, right? That is how simple it is. And I can also, again, I can share this to my Instagram, right? That's how simple this method actually is. So I hope you got a tremendous amount of value and you now know how to promote affiliate links for free without a website. If you got value, you want me to make more, click the like button. Also subscribe with that bell icon so you're always notified on my latest step-by-step videos. And last but not least, look, this works, but ideally you want to send people, rather than straight to your affiliate link, you want to send them to a capture page that collects their information so you can follow up to start to convert those people into sales, because often people aren't going to buy right away. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate system that gives you capture pages that you can swipe and deploy, that also gives you done-for-you follow-up emails, click the first link below, watch that overview video, and discover how simple it actually works. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.